Number 6. Aston Martin DBX. For those who want a touch of luxury with a sporty edge, the Aston Martin DBX is the perfect choice. It combines high-performance capabilities with elegant design and advanced technology. Inside the DBX, every detail is crafted for comfort and style. The seats are made from premium leather, offering both support and luxury. Each seat is carefully designed with meticulous stitching and high-quality materials. The cabin features fine wood trim and plush carpets, creating a sophisticated and welcoming space. The rear seats provide ample space and comfort, making the DBX perfect for both driving and being driven. With adjustable seating and a high-quality sound system, every journey is enjoyable. On the outside, the DBX makes a strong impression with its sleek lines and dynamic stance. The car's large grille and elegant LED headlights give it a bold and athletic look, while the alloy wheels add to its sporty appeal. The DBX is equipped with the latest technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that provides easy access to navigation, media, and other functions. For added convenience, the car includes advanced driver assistance features that enhance safety and driving comfort. The Aston Martin DBX offers a unique blend of luxury and performance, making it an ideal choice for those who want a high-end SUV with a sporty edge. Number 7. McLaren GT. For those who crave a blend of luxury and performance, the McLaren GT is an exceptional choice. It offers a sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, all wrapped in a sophisticated package. Inside the GT, you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and style. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing excellent support and luxury. Each seat features precise stitching and premium materials. The interior includes elegant trim and soft carpets, creating a refined and enjoyable space. The cargo space is also noteworthy, offering ample room for luggage, making it practical for both daily drives and longer trips. The GT's exterior stands out with its sleek lines and athletic stance. The large front grille and sharp LED headlights give the car a bold and dynamic look, while the aero-enhancing design elements improve both style and performance. The McLaren GT is equipped with advanced technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and other functions with ease. The car also includes driver assistance features that enhance safety and driving comfort. The McLaren GT combines luxury with performance, offering a high-end driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. Number 8. Bentley Mulsanne. When it comes to ultimate luxury and power, the Bentley Mulsanne is in a class of its own. This car combines elegant design, high-end craftsmanship, and powerful performance in a truly remarkable way. Inside the Mulsanne, you're surrounded by pure luxury. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather, offering unmatched comfort. Every detail in the cabin is handcrafted, from the intricate wood trim to the soft plush carpets. It's a space designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The rear seats are spacious and offer reclining features for added comfort, making long journeys feel effortless. The exterior of the Mulsanne is both bold and elegant. Its iconic grille and smooth lines make a powerful statement, while the LED headlights provide a modern touch. The car's overall design is timeless, combining traditional Bentley style with a contemporary edge. The Mulsanne is equipped with advanced technology to match its luxury. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that controls navigation, entertainment, and more. Passengers in the rear have their own entertainment screens, ensuring a first-class experience throughout the car. The Bentley Mulsanne is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and craftsmanship, making every drive a truly special experience. Number 9. BMW 7 Series. For those who seek luxury with cutting-edge technology, the BMW 7 Series delivers. This sedan combines elegant design, powerful performance, and innovative features, offering a refined driving experience. Inside the 7 Series, comfort meets sophistication. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing both support and luxury. Every detail, from the modern trim to the ambient lighting, is crafted to create a serene and stylish environment. The rear seats are equally luxurious, with plenty of legroom and reclining features, making long journeys enjoyable for all passengers. On the outside, the 7 Series features BMW's signature kidney grille and sleek lines that give it a modern and dynamic look. The LED headlights and large alloy wheels enhance its presence on the road, ensuring it stands out wherever it goes. The BMW 7 Series is packed with the latest technology. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and other essential features. The car also boasts advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring a safe and comfortable drive. The BMW 7 Series combines luxury, technology, and performance, making it a perfect choice for those who expect the best from their driving experience. Number 10. Audi A8. The Audi A8 is the perfect combination of luxury, advanced technology, and refined performance. This flagship sedan from Audi offers a driving experience that's both elegant and powerful. Inside the A8, you're surrounded by modern luxury. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, providing exceptional comfort and support. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials and elegant touches, making every drive feel special. The rear seats offer plenty of space and can recline for added comfort, making long journeys effortless. On the outside, the Audi A8 stands out with its sleek lines and bold grille. The car's design is both modern and sophisticated, with sharp LED headlights and a sporty profile that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The A8 is packed with Audi's latest technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to media. The car also comes with advanced driver assistance features, making every drive safer and more convenient. The Audi A8 offers a perfect mix of luxury, technology, and performance, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate a premium driving experience. And there you have it, the most luxury cars in the world. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing videos about the world's most luxurious cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.